In this video tutorial, we are going to see how you can install WordPress on your local computer, step by step. So let's get started. So first install a local server, Xampp, then download WordPress, copy it and go to local disk C, Xampp and it docs. Here paste your WordPress folder. Then extract its file here. Once done, open the folder and here you can see all its files. Now go to Google and search for localhost, WordPress. Keep the name and font as same as folder name. Now the configuration page opens, here first select language. Then before getting started, they need some information on the database. So you need to know the following items before proceeding. 1. Database name. 2. Database username. 3. Database password. 4. Database host. 5. Table prefix. Get ready with everything, and click on Let's Go button. Now here we have database name, username, password, database host, table prefix etc. Open Xampp panel, first two actions are stop, then click admin button. Now from the admin panel, select new. Now here copy database name from WordPress and paste it here and create. So new database with the name WordPress has been created. Now let's enter username and password. Host has already been entered with table prefix and click submit. Once done and if you are ready, click on run the installation. So on welcome page, enter site title, username, password, confirm password, enter your email and click install WordPress. So you will get your username and password. Click on login and enter your username and password and log in. So now you are logged into your WordPress panel.